Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to recover Gmail account working method. Okay, let's start. First of all, click on Gmail. Now tap on profile icon. Now tap on add another account. Now tap on Google. Now try to log in your Gmail account. Now type your Gmail password. Okay, now we'll show you how to recover this Gmail account. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your any browser. Now search support Google. Now tap on Google account help. Scroll down, now tap on post to the community. Scroll down, now tap on post question. Short summary of your issue. I forget my Gmail account password. Scroll down, now type your problem here. Now tap on please select an account access recovery. Now click on next and click on account recovery. Now tap on next step. And tap on next step. Now tap on please select Android. Now tap on next step. At last click on post and wait few hours of day to get team Google reply be helpful your Google account recover successfully by this method. Thank you.